Did you know that 80% of marketers are failing with display? At Genius Monkey, we have frequently heard three things from our prospective customers. I'm not sure that display advertising works. I've tried it before, but didn't see results. I have no idea how to accurately measure it. That's where the years of digital experience pays off. Because at Genius Monkey, we do know the answer to these questions, and we're eager to share them. One of the issues marketers face is the diminishing attention span of consumers. 18 years ago, the average human attention span was 12 seconds. Today, it's only 8 seconds. That's 1 second less than the attention span of the average goldfish. Healthy campaigns require consistent exposure to your audience. Spreading your campaigns too thin will lead to diminished reach and frequency. And while it's very important, it's not just about reach and frequency. It takes time. The timeline to purchase is significantly impacted by market saturation and duration. So don't be in too big of a hurry. Give it time. Marketers need to remember the best practices plus consistency equal maximized impact. They must also realize that customers will convert their terms, not yours. When it comes to the proper strategy and tactics, you'll need the right tools for the job. As an example, one particular client of Genius Monkey is an auto dealership. At the time they started, their marketing was netting them an average of 180 leads per month. By incorporating specific targeting based on consumer behaviors, along with optimization for a complementary mix of media, the following occurred. Within 6 months, their leads increased by 280 per month, with no budget increase and a decrease in CPA of 36%. Over time, they were getting 550 monthly leads with a decrease in CPA of 67%. One of the most important aspects of marketing today is to be able to measure what is most effective using proper trafficking and attribution, leading to effective optimization. Department store mogul John Wanamaker used to say, "Half the money I spend on advertising is wasted. I just don't know which half." With Genius Monkey's attribution measurement, rather than looking at the first or last click attribution, we are able to more clearly understand what mediums are contributing to moving your audience along the path to conversion. To ignore all of the other data would be like throwing the baby out with the bathwater. And our clients don't pay for each impression. Rather, they pay only when consumers engage with their ad. Measure the metrics that matter. And remember that conversions are king.